Hi everyone. Today we present the hand-painted portrait of Radha and Krishna. This tutorial from Sampriti shows the beauty of traditional Indian painting techniques on the cloth. Perfect for art lovers, culture enthusiasts, and anyone interested in the wearable art and dye fashions. Here, Radha is depicted with soft, expressive eyes and traditional attire. Radha's cheek features tiny floral face art. Attire uses the rich pink, gold and green highlighted with metallic gold detailing on the jewelry and the borders. Krishna with the blue skin symbolizing the divinity. Krishna is painted with vibrant shades of blue with white and pink accents on his ornaments and facial decorations. Both figures have elaborate eye makeup, defined brows and detailed shaded lips. Their jewelry includes pearl pattern, earring, necklace and the golden crown with gems. These styles reflect the Indian miniature or Pattachitra inspired art, with fine lines, bright color and spiritual expressions. Painted on the white fabric held in the embroidery hoop, this setup is ideal for display or wearable art. The peacock feather on Krishna's head is finely detailed with green, blue and golden color. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the Sampriti for traditional art content. Thank you.